Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I will share with you an first look of a new custom knife that I got. It is the Tora tactical knives TR5. This is a custom knife maker out from Indonesia. This is how his packaging looks like. Inside the box, this is a shorter secondary clip. We have two stickers, and there's the card, it's providing information about the steel used on this one. Some kind of authority did sign on it. It is the real one. And here is the certificate of authenticity. So we have TR5 folding, CTS XHP steel, full titanium, and the date of birth, and Tora knife signature. So he includes also this, probably made by himself, a really substantial thick pouch. And here is the knife. So he's mostly known for a couple of fixed blade, Pikal and hogbill talon style blades, but he also is producing few models which are Framelocks. So when I saw this one probably a couple of years ago, maybe around 2017, 2016, I really wanted one, but it was really problematic to get a hold one of these knives because he makes only a couple of pieces a year, and then of course all the hassle of importing this one to my country. So yeah, it was just a wish, and fast forward a couple of years later, I got one here locally from a fellow knife collector who wanted to reduce his collection, so I bought it from him. Okay, so let me give you the quick specifications, like I always like to do. We have an overall length of 18.8 centimeters, this is 7.4 inches. The handle is 11 centimeters or 4.3 inches. The blade is 8 centimeters or 3.15 inches with a cutting edge of 7 centimeters or 2.7 inches. The blade width is 3.3 centimeters or 1.3 inch. The blade thickness is 4 millimeters stock or 0.16 inches, and the handle thickness is 1.5 centimeters or 0.6 inches without the pocket clip. Let me show the close-ups of the grind. So we have this really pronounced satin finished hogbill style blade with CTS XHP blade steel, a couple of jimpings on the top, and the opening method on this earlier model is with this shield made out of bronze, and it is not made by him, but also a fellow jewelry maker. He's called REHARTZ. It did age nicely. There is his logo or his signature. Then of course we have Tora tactical knife logo right there. So this is a titanium 6 ALV scale, which is partially milled out inside. It is substantially thick and robust. We have the original full length of pocket clip. He also made a shorter one. We have a partial backspacer, which is also a piece of titanium. We have an over stop disc hinder style implemented underneath. And he did this really interesting, almost like a dark orange peel surface blasting, or how to call it, on the titanium. And just look at the beautiful blade. So this is a very beautifully designed or shaped knife. It has a finger trail, of course, implemented, so you can really nicely choke up. The weight comes at 158 grams or 5.5 ounces, so definitely not on the lighter side. There are millings to make better closing action. So it rides on bronze washers. Currently, what I could find on Facebook, because I could not find his webpage, but he's active on Facebook. He makes a T-Rex 2, which probably the TR stands for. I don't know why the name changing on the lettering, so but please keep that in mind. If you like, you're gonna go check him out. I will try to link his Facebook page down below. There's also a TRJ2 version, and they focus on let's say self-defense, tactical use, of course, giving the blade shape. They will feature a thumb hole opening like Strider has, but the earlier versions had these nice discs. Okay, so now let me show you the pocket profile. So this is how much it will stick out. And let's see, size comparison. So firstly, when I saw the knife, then my mind did go to Tucson, and I don't know if the TS48 is still available. Probably should be in different handle options, but if you really like this blade shape then and you are on the budget, then definitely the TS48 is something that comes closest in the realm of possibilities. So titanium and this beautiful hogbill style blade. Okay, like I mentioned, the new versions will have a Strider type hole opening. So just imagine it with this hole right here. So this is a SNG. Then I have here my Kubasek Talon. It's a beautiful hogbill custom. Okay, now let's continue with some other knives. I have here my RR009, which is the premium line from Rough Rider. Let's see, here's a CRKT Pilar number 1. QSP Penguin. It's a CVV Elementum, so they are similar size-wise. Bucksprint Pro. There's a small reptilian from Benchmade. Let's see, Delica. The 111 in my Carta from Tucson. Ace Grand from Giant Mouse. CVV Rustic Gent. My Rough Rider Peanut. And let's finish up with the K-Pow Dozier Folding Hunter. So price-wise, his prices can certainly change through the time. What I could found on his Facebook page, the TR5, which is probably something that currently he's producing, will cost you around $530. So these models should be something in this price range. If you are interested, you can definitely shoot him a message, and he will probably quote you with maybe a time. I don't know if his books are open. I definitely went back in the days when I looked into it. He had around 1 or 2 years backlog, but that can change. Best way is to contact him directly and ask him for the quote. Okay, so this was the Tora Tactical Knives TR5. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. I always appreciate my subscribers commenting and sharing their experiences with the knives they own or they want to get. And if you have any suggestions to my channel, then please leave comments down below. With that being said, I'd like to wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon. Bye.